The Galaxy S26 Ultra has once again made headlines in the tech world, this time because to a bright orange dummy render that sparked outrage on social media. The photograph generated immediate discussion, with many accusing Samsung of imitating Apple's new psychedelic orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. While the render appears to be AI-generated, the reaction speaks for itself. If Samsung truly intends to offer the S26 Ultra in a similar orange color, the reaction will be difficult to avoid. But here's the deal. Samsung's use of orange isn't new. The firm experimented with this shade long before Apple did. Last year, the Galaxy S24 Ultra was available in titanium orange, and prior to that, various mid-range and inexpensive Galaxy phones had similar colors. So no, Apple did not invent orange for smartphones. The colors have been associated with the Galaxy family for many years. Nonetheless, timing is everything. If Samsung introduces the Galaxy S26 Ultra in orange shortly after Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, comparisons will be unavoidable. The public prefers to recall the most recent release. And just now, Apple's cosmic orange feels new and iconic. Any such move by Samsung might easily be interpreted as mimicry, even if the reality is significantly more nuanced. The reality is that Samsung does not need orange to make the Galaxy S26 Ultra stand out. The brand has always prioritized hue variation. Daring reds, rich blues, refined titaniums, and soothing mint tones. That's where Samsung shines. Daring innovation that creates trends rather than following them. Maybe skipping orange this time isn't just about being safe. It's about sticking to what makes Samsung special. Samsung is once again redefining the norms of innovation with the new Galaxy S26 Ultra. And, if tech insider Anthony's remarks are to be believed, this Galaxy flagship will be a game-changer in terms of performance, display brilliance, and photographic prowess. The camera revolution starts. The S26 Ultra is not simply getting an upgrade. It's entering a whole new league. A bigger main camera aperture allows for more light than ever before, resulting in photographs that are brilliant, detailed, and alive. Day or night, photography enthusiasts will be ecstatic about the new 3x telephoto lens and larger 5x telephoto aperture, which ensure crystal clear zoom images without sacrificing image quality. Samsung's display game has been elevated with a Sealy OLED panel and a little larger screen, resulting in deeper blacks, richer colors, and a more immersive viewing experience. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.